Tim with TMO Capital here. I want to talk to you today about RSI. It stands for Relative Strength Indicator. Now, this is a tool that I teach a lot of new traders how to use when they first come to me because it's an easy thing to use to pick up quick hits and big wins. So it can take a trader who's unprofitable or just not making any profit or any loss and give them some traction in the market while they learn other skills. So let's look at December 22nd. This is ES. It's the E-mini S&P 500 Futures. So we open the day and instantly start moving down. So you can see us over here on the left side of the screen. We reject VWAP from the beginning, hit it a couple more times, and keep on rejecting. Now, if you look down here at RSI, which is the part that I want to discuss today, RSI is steadily moving up throughout the day. So after an initial drop off, we start moving up. We move up above the 30 line. We regain that, and then we start to move up again. Now, the thing with futures and with any trade is if you can spot a trend day, you just want to make sure that when you get in, you're not going to have so much drawdown that it hits your stop loss. So RSI divergence, which you can see today as price comes down and RSI is going up, so they are diverging from each other. RSI divergence is a great tool to utilize to enter these trades in a manner that will net you a big payout with minimal drawdown. So what I was looking at is on RSI when we hit this peak, it was kind of interesting because we had leveled off a bit here. This is a good point to start setting up for this play. So you've got the start here. And on this level up here on the chart, you can see we're at 38.39. RSI is right here. Then we get another peak on RSI, but price now has come up to 38.37.25, or come down rather, while RSI has increased. Now these next couple of potential entry points on RSI, these peaks, you've got a total of 5 of them. Some of them are kind of moving sideways more so, but price is decreasing on each one of these examples. So let's say you waited from the setup over here at 952, you waited all the way until over here at 1034 before you entered this trade and went short. And you could go short whether it's on ES, on SPX, or on SPY, which is the ETF attached to the S&P 500. So let's say you just waited all the way over here, 1034, you hop in at 38.34. From there, we consolidate a little bit after a brief move down, and then we really have a huge drop off. Now, this is a 46-point drop if you had any amount of contracts that made it the full way. 46 points on ES equates to $2,300 per contract. It trades at $50 per point. If you think about MES, which is the micro futures, this would be a $230 move. And if you're somebody who plays SPY, as I mentioned, this would equate to roughly a $4.60 move because it trades at 1/10 roughly the size of ES. So if you're buying at the money puts, when you entered the play, you'd be looking at roughly a $275 increase in your option contracts. Now, just to show you how well this tool works, you can see over here around 11:30, we start to have very brief signs of RSI divergence going the opposite direction. Now we have RSI moving up and we have price moving down. So you can see how great of a tool this is for traders to have and to utilize. But again, if you're a newer trader, awesome tool to get you profitable very, very quickly. This is the number one thing that I teach all of my newer traders. And this is actually something that I was calling out in my Discord right here to get everybody to see this, that we're decreasing in price and this was an easy entry to spot. Again, even if you only took this for 10 points, that's still $500 per contract with zero drawdown. So it helps you spot moves, but it also helps you identify a great entry point with minimal drawdown. So if you appreciate this video, please give us a like, or if you're interested in learning how to trade like we do and would like to learn more, we have a free 7 days on our Discord, and we'd love to have you. Thanks a lot.